Hello folks, Samsung has only just started rolling out the Android 15 based One UI 7 update, but the attention has already shifted to Android 16 and One UI 8. We've revealed that the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 will ship with One UI 8 out of the box. Evidently, Samsung's next major upgrade is in the pipeline already and due to be released for other compatible devices later this year. This means that test builds have already been prepared for many of those devices, and that raises the potential for leaks. A major One UI 8 leak of one such build running on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 provides us with an early look at the update, and it appears to be evolutionary for the most part. The images show, and as the accompanying report points out, One UI 8 looks very similar to One UI 7, at least at this stage. Whether any major cosmetic changes are planned down the line remains to be seen. Given that One UI 7 was such a major design overhaul, the chances of that happening with One UI 8 remain slim. Some minor changes have been spotted in native apps like Gallery and File Manager, with the options being presented in a more organized fashion. Perhaps the most exciting revelation is that the Now brief will make its way to older devices with One UI 8. Samsung has kept it exclusive to the Galaxy S25 series for now. The One UI 7 update didn't bring it for the Galaxy S24 series. After months of delay, Samsung released the stable One UI 7 update for a limited number of devices. However, even after such a careful and slow rollout, the company discovered a critical bug that forced it to halt the release globally. This raises serious concerns about Samsung's software development and testing capabilities. While many Galaxy fans were frustrated by the extended wait, some, including me, were willing to give Samsung the benefit of the doubt and expected the stable One UI 7 release to be issue-free. However, despite the prolonged testing period, Samsung discovered a critical bug in the stable One UI 7 update. Apparently, some Galaxy S24 users reported being unable to unlock their phones after installing One UI 7.0. After investigating the issue, Samsung halted the update globally. But how did the company miss this critical bug during the One UI 7.0 beta program, which was available in multiple markets and for multiple devices? This raises serious concerns about Samsung's software development and testing processes. If such major missteps persist, it could lead Galaxy fans to switch to other brands when upgrading from their current Galaxy devices. Samsung needs to seriously reconsider and improve its software update process. If it aims to regain user trust, it should release the stable Android 16 update in the third quarter of this year to compensate for the significant One UI 7 delay. It's still early days, so we can expect additional changes to be made. Since the delayed One UI 7 release meant that Samsung wouldn't have time to release One UI 7.1, it's likely that One UI 8 will do that job instead, refining and optimizing the software while upgrading users to the latest version of Android. Anyway guys, I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.